In this video, let me show you how to fix TikTok cannot block user. So if you're trying to block a person, a user, or a user within TikTok, and if you're having issues with that, let me show you a few things that you can try out in order to solve this issue. Now, the first thing that you can immediately do is clear out the app cache. Head over to your profile section, head over to the three lines on the top right, and then head over to settings. Once you're inside, scroll down and then head over to free up space. You just need to tap on the clear option, which is the cache that you'd be able to see. Once you complete this step, make sure you remove the TikTok app from the recent app list and try to open up the app again. And by doing this step alone, you should be able to fix this issue. Now, however, if this is not the case for you, and even after doing this first step, you're still having issues with it, the other thing that you can try out is try to disconnect from any sort of VPNs if you are currently connected to one, as well as you can try switching your network. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, try to switch your network to your cellular data. So by doing these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. I do hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.